So hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your host Subhandas. So today we discuss about the what type of government job after become graduation. Uh, we discuss about jobs after become. So there are so many types of job in both public sector and government sector. We discuss about only government sector in this video. So there are so many kind of government job available for become. So there are two types of examination for a government job, and government job in central level, one is state level. Central level examination conducted by government, central government, and state level examination conducted by state government. So I discuss in this video there are five types of government job. One is the CDS defense sector, one is the UPSC civil sector, Indian Railways, SSC, and PCS officer. CDS means Combined Defense Service. This exam conducted by central government. After this exam, you will able to do job in Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy, Air Force Academy. In this sector, according to your preference and merit, you are able to do work in only one sector. For a CDS exam, must be graduate and you are on final year appearing. In this sector, minimum age limit is 19 years and upper age limit is depends on your academy. You work with Indian military, so there are different upper age limits. So that is, it's a selection process. First is written exam, and second is the physical test. Physical test is very necessary in defense sector, and then interview. Sector is UPSC. After graduation, many students are applied for UPSC examination because after clear UPSC, you will able to be a IAS, IAPS, and IPS officer. Many 24 jobs. This is the UPSC is so popular because it is the central government grade A type of government job. It is the most popular job. So, in the civil service examination is a nationwide competitive examination in India conducted by Union Public Sector, Indian Public Service. So that is the procedure of UPSC exam. There are prelims and mains. There is interview. So this type of UPSC exams are done. So All India Civil Service, the jobs name under UPSC. So first is the IAS, Indian Administrative Service. Second one is Indian Police Service, IPS, and Indian Forest Service, Indian Foreign Service, Indian Civil Account Service. There is many more type of 24 types of grade A type jobs in central level, central government level. India government level. So next, SSC Staff Selection Council. So what is SSC? SSC is the Indian Government Type B and Type C Staff Selection Board. SSC exam is a national level exam and it conducted by SSC. It is held once in a year. So after become you will able to attempt this job. This job age limit was 18 to 32 years. Depends on your post. Means in different post, different offer age limit. So after become you attempt SSC CGL exam. CGL means combined graduation level exam. The post comes under SSC CGL. So in under SSC there are many types of jobs. But we discuss about the SSC CGL. So there are assistant section officer, assistant accountant, assistant audit officer, assistant account officer. That is so. Upper division clerk, inspector of income tax, junior statistical officer, tax assistant, and etc. etc. These types of jobs under SSC. Next one is the Indian Railways. after graduation you are interested in this line, so you must go do this after clearing RRB. RRB means Railway Recruitment Board. RRB exam conducted for different railway jobs, Railway Recruitment Board and organization under government, and that manage the appointment of a new employee to work in Indian Railway. So in railway there are two types of work in railway. One is technical and second one is non-technical. So you are from commerce background, and so you do non-technical types job. So you attempt RRB NTPC. NTPC means non-technical popular category. The jobs in NTPC category is commercial clerk, section accountant, assistant section, station master, customer relation officer, booking clerk, ticket collector, goods guard, and etc. etc. This is the non-technical level Indian Railways jobs. So you do this job after clearing RRB NTPC exam. Is the PCS officer, a provincial civil service. This is the state level job. It is it's exam conducted by state government. So it depends on your state. Your state decided what is your syllabus, exam pattern, age limit. Because there the states level exams are different type, with different time. So PCS exam conducted by three stages: prelims, mains, and interview. The jobs are district minority welfare officer, district food marketing officer, assistant commissioner of income tax, commercial tax, executive officer of Panchayat Raj Upper, Naib Tahsildar, deputy secretary, deputy collector. This is the state level jobs.